How to see who has viewed your TikTok profile. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to see who has viewed your TikTok profile. Now let's get started. First we need to open our App Store and update TikTok to the newest version. After this we need to go back and open our TikTok app. Then we need to go to our profile just by clicking on the profile at the right corner at the bottom. Here we should find eye icon at the top right corner and we need to tap on it. In appearing menu you can read information and then you should tap on turn on at the bottom. And now you can watch the list of the people who visited your profile within 30 days. And that's all. It was how to see who has viewed your TikTok profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.